Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to show you a beautiful Road Runner. Now, these cars are very, very hard to find. You don't see them that often. And this car is absolutely gorgeous. 1976 Plymouth Road Runner. It has a correct original 360 engine under the hood. At least that's what the gentleman told me. It was original drivetrain. I didn't check the numbers on it, but that's what he said. The car has had one repaint in its original color. And other than that, this is a true survivor car that is in just absolutely beautiful shape. The interior appears to be all original. Bucket seats, factory center console, automatic on the floor, power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. And the air conditioning blows ice cold. 76,000 miles are on the odometer. We put these beautiful aftermarket wheels on this car. Man, this car just really pops. My sales guy was just in here a second ago. I just got done picturing this car, and he said, holy cow, that's a beautiful car. I said, yeah, I know, it's just... I think they're, how scarce they are, you never see them. That's kind of what makes this car just so cool, and the survivor part of it is pretty neat to me as well. We didn't paint the valve covers, I didn't paint up the engine. I left it all original looking, appearing. That way, if you guys want to do that, that's kind of half the fun sometimes. You buy something and you can do some of the stuff to make a little improvements on it yourself, you know. Paint is just absolutely gorgeous. Say the interior is very nice. Jams. Door panels. The dash. Visors, headliner, sail panels, package tray. Back seat's very nice as well. Show you the rest of it on that side. These door seals are a little weathered. There's brand new ones in the trunk. They're in a box. There's some new parts for this car in the trunk as well. I'll show you that. Inside the trunk's very nice. The trunk light works. Looks like it's got all the original paint in the jam still. Here's a box of some new parts. There's some new door seals. There's some new heater core, some tail lights, some extra tail lights, some other stuff. You see how nice the paint is. The bumpers are in fine shape on the car. They're all original. There's a little bit of, you can see a little bit of fine pitting on the chrome. When you're standing this far back, you can't even notice it, but you get up closer, you can see some pitting in the chrome bumpers. The front one's kind of the same way. Not perfect, but it's, you know, they're driver quality bumpers and they're all original. So if you wanted to put bumpers on it, you sure could, but like I say, it's a beautiful car. Just can't believe how nice the paint is on it. There you can see these seals. Them are the ones that are in the trunk. So, like I say, I think it's got all the original paint and the jams. North Carolina car, according to the sticker on the dash. So that's probably explains why the body's so clean. Radio works. Wipers, horn, radio, lights, gauges. Got a great sound to it too. Tail lights, turn signal. I don't know if that plate light's working, but check that out. Just check out that paint. Headlights, turn signals. I'll put the brights on. I think the brights are on. See if the brights or dims are on. I'll change them. There we go. Turn that other one on. Car sounds great, don't it? 76 Plymouth Road Runner. They say you don't see these cars very often anymore. Valari Road Runner. They had the Valari and the Aspen, so let's take this beautiful car out and run her down the road. You can see the AC compressor's kicked. Looks like that turn signal needs a bulb in it on the front. Got one lit spot here on the seat. You can see a little wear. This car listed on our website here, later today or tomorrow. If it goes dead, I'm sorry. The battery's about done on my recording device here, so. Wow, what a nice car. Transmission shifts super smooth. This is a nice one. Drives great. Look at that. No hands even on the steering wheel. That's just how nice it drives. Steers nice, drives nice. Brakes work really good. Look at that left rear brake anyway, because I think it might be hanging up just a little bit. I noticed that when I pulled it in on the table, it might have had a little moisture or water in there. We washed the car just a little while ago. Get out here and I'll do a little walk around. We'll head back to town. That air feels good today. Nice day out, beautiful Friday here in Iowa.